It can happen any second. Will it happen? Only Putin knows. But we're not going to let Putin decide the fate of our family. We're going to decide our own fates. I'm escorting my Ukrainian family, my 4 and expecting child and wife on the plane. We live in eastern Ukraine in the village of Krachkivka. Escorting them to the plane to learn English in American schools, see an alternative to what Putin would like in Ukraine.
I was checking to make sure that the airport was open because otherwise I would have had to go by train or road to Poland, so I was keeping options open in case it did shut.
Biz kalırdık ama sosyal medyayı izlediğimiz zaman gerildik. Ama halkla sohbet ettiğimiz zaman o gerginliği onlarda görmedik. Dışarı çıktığımız zaman rahattık.